Are you pondering the potential of AI for your business? Artificial intelligence, a buzzword that has taken the business world by storm. It's a tantalizing concept, isn't it? The allure of streamlining operations, bolstering growth, and gaining a competitive edge, all through the power of AI. It's like a siren song, promising to revolutionize your business, ushering you into a future of unprecedented efficiency. But before we dive headlong into this brave new world, we must pause and ask, but is your business truly ready for AI? AI is more than just a buzzword. It's a tool that can transform your business. It's like an invisible workforce, tirelessly working behind the scenes, doing tasks faster and more accurately than humans ever could. Imagine a world where you no longer have to worry about mundane tasks. They're all taken care of, freeing you up to focus on what really matters, growing your business. AI is a game changer for businesses, especially when it comes to automation. It's like having a tireless employee who never calls in sick, never needs a vacation, and is always ready to work. From managing your inventory to scheduling appointments, AI can automate a wide range of tasks, saving you time and reducing the risk of human error. It's not just about automation, though. AI is a data analysis powerhouse. In the era of big data, businesses are drowning in information. But AI can dive into that sea of data and come up with pearls of wisdom that can drive your business forward. It can identify patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to spot, helping you make more informed decisions. And let's not forget about customer service. Today's consumers expect quick and personalized service. AI can help meet those expectations. With AI, you can offer 24/7 customer service, answering questions and resolving issues at any time of the day or night. And with AI's ability to analyze data, you can offer personalized recommendations, making your customers feel valued and understood. But here's the catch. While the benefits of AI are undeniable, implementing it into your business isn't as easy as installing a new software program. It's a complex process that requires a deep understanding of your business and your customers. If done right, AI can be a powerful tool that can catapult your business to new heights. But if done wrong, it can lead to costly mistakes and missed opportunities. So, before you jump on the AI bandwagon, it's important to do your homework. Understand what AI can and can't do, and how it can benefit your specific business. And remember, however, implementing AI isn't as simple as flipping a switch. While the benefits of AI are enticing, there are potential pitfalls. A phrase that rings true when delving into the intricacies of implementing artificial intelligence within a business structure. Firstly, let's discuss the elephant in the room: data. AI thrives on large data sets. It's like fuel to a car. Without it, your AI engine won't run. Now you might be thinking, I have heaps of data. But here's the kicker. It's not just about the quantity, it's about the quality. Your data needs to be clean, relevant, and well-structured. If it's not, your AI might end up making decisions based on flawed information. And that, my friends, can lead to some pretty costly mistakes. Next, we have the risk of biased algorithms. Here's a fun fact. AI learns from data, right? So if your data is biased, your AI will be too. This could mean making decisions that unfairly favor one group over another, or missing out on opportunities because the AI has a skewed perspective. It's like giving the keys to your business to a driver with a wonky set of glasses. Not ideal, right? Finally, let's talk about the cost. Implementing AI is not a cheap affair. You have the initial cost of development, which can be hefty. Then, there's the ongoing cost of maintenance. AI is not a set-and-forget kind of deal. It needs constant tweaking and updating to stay relevant and effective. And let's not forget the cost of training your staff to use this new technology. It's a significant investment, and not every business will see a return on it. So, there you have it. The common pitfalls of implementing AI, the need for large, high-quality data sets, the risk of biased algorithms, and the significant cost of implementation and maintenance. It's not all doom and gloom, of course. AI has the potential to drive incredible efficiency and growth, but it's not a decision to be taken lightly. Understanding these challenges can help you avoid costly mistakes. And that's what we're all about here, helping you make informed, smart decisions for your business. Opening: not every business will benefit from AI. Just like how every shoe doesn't fit every foot, artificial intelligence isn't the solution for every business. While AI has remarkable capabilities, it's not a magic wand that can solve all problems. It's a tool, and like any tool, it needs to be used correctly to yield the desired results. Let's delve deeper into why AI may not be suitable for all businesses. The first factor to consider is the business's goals. Implementing AI just because it's the latest trend is like buying a sports car when all you need is a bicycle. It's not only unnecessary, but can also be a drain on resources. Instead, businesses should have a clear and specific goal for what they want to achieve with AI. For instance, a business that wants to improve customer service might benefit from a chatbot that can handle frequently asked questions. But a business that operates in a niche market with highly specialized customer queries might find that a chatbot creates more problems than it solves. In this case, human customer service agents might be the better solution. Another important aspect is the readiness of the business's data infrastructure. AI thrives on data. It needs high-quality, well-organized data to learn and make accurate predictions. If a business's data is scattered across different systems, incomplete or not well maintained, then AI will struggle to provide any real value. It's like trying to build a house on a shaky foundation. It's bound to collapse. Furthermore, businesses need to consider the costs and resources involved in implementing and maintaining an AI system. This includes not only the initial investment, but also the ongoing costs of training and updating the AI system, as well as the potential need for new hires to manage it. In conclusion, before diving headfirst into AI, it's crucial to assess your business's readiness, understand your goals, evaluate your data infrastructure, and consider the resources you're willing to commit. Remember, it's not about jumping on the bandwagon. It's about making strategic decisions that will truly benefit your business. Closing. Before diving into AI, it's crucial to assess your business's readiness. Let's take a look at a real-world example. Picture this. A reputable, well-established company decided to leap into the AI revolution. They were looking to automate their customer service, a move that promised efficiency and cost savings. They invested heavily in this venture, both in terms of financial resources and time. The AI-driven customer service system was launched with great fanfare. Initially, things seemed to be going well. The company was saving money on labor costs, and the AI system was able to handle a large volume of customer inquiries. But soon, the cracks started to show. Customers began to complain about the impersonal and often inaccurate responses from the AI system. The system was unable to understand or respond effectively to complex queries. Customers were frustrated, and their dissatisfaction was reflected in the company's falling customer satisfaction scores. The company had to scramble to correct the situation. They had to hire back the customer service representatives they had let go, and they had to invest additional resources into training the AI system to better understand and respond to customer queries. This was a major setback, both in terms of finances and reputation. This case study serves as a reminder that AI implementation is not a simple or guaranteed path to success. It's important to carefully consider the potential risks and challenges. It's crucial to plan thoroughly, to understand the capabilities and limitations of AI, and to be prepared to make adjustments as needed. This company learned the hard way that AI is not a panacea. It cannot replace the human touch in certain aspects of business, especially those that involve complex human interactions. While AI has the potential to bring about efficiency and cost savings, it has to be implemented thoughtfully, with a clear understanding of its limitations. As you can see, a poorly planned AI implementation can lead to serious setbacks. AI can be a game changer, but it's not a decision to be taken lightly. It's like standing on the edge of a technological precipice, the wind of innovation whipping around you, promising a world of efficiency and growth. But a leap of faith without a clear understanding of your landing spot is reckless, and the same applies to implementing artificial intelligence in your business. We've taken you on a journey, exploring the allure of AI, its potential advantages, and the pitfalls that can ensnare the unwary. We've delved into the reasons why this cutting-edge technology may not be suitable for all businesses and the risks that come with its adoption. We've highlighted real-life examples of businesses that have faced negative consequences from AI implementation. All of this underscores the importance of approaching AI with caution and thorough consideration. It's not about jumping on the bandwagon because it's the trend du jour. It's about understanding your business's specific needs and capabilities. It's about conducting a detailed analysis of whether AI is the right fit for your business model, and whether your team is equipped to handle the new challenges it will bring. AI is not a magic wand that will solve all your business problems. It's a tool, and like any tool, it needs to be used correctly to be effective. It's about understanding the problem you're trying to solve and then determining whether AI can provide a solution. The decision to implement AI should be based on solid research, a clear understanding of your business needs, and a realistic assessment of your capacity to adapt to new technologies. It's about weighing the potential gains against the possible risks and making an informed decision. Before you take that leap, ask yourself, is my business truly ready for AI? Have we considered all the potential challenges and prepared for them? Are we ready to invest time, resources, and effort into making this transition successful? Remember, the goal is not to use AI for the sake of using AI, but to use it as a tool to solve specific business problems. What are your thoughts on AI implementation? We're eager to hear from you. Share your experiences, ideas, or concerns about integrating AI into your business. Are you on the fence? Or maybe you've already taken the leap. Let's create a community where we can learn from each other's triumphs and mistakes. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful videos on business strategies. Thank you for watching. Remember, successful business strategies are built on informed decisions.